Hi. So a bit about me is I'm Suhaibhan and I'm recording my journey for this school community, and this is day 10 of the challenge that I've taken, which is $1,000 per month challenge. And today is Wednesday, and by the inspiration of Umair Bajwa, I decided to record all of my journals in English to improve my communication skills, to improve my speaking skills. Although I am in sales, so that's pretty much my job, but I do think that I should also record the journals in English, so that other people would also get the encouragement to do the same. So let's start the day with this quote, which is: consistency is more important than intensity. Small wins each day leads to big results. So yeah, every day doesn't have to be the perfect day. You just sometimes you just need a day to reset, and for the next perfect day, you would need a reset time or a reset day. So that's what I took for today. Talking about my early day, I woke up around 4:30. I do got the reason for it because I slept late because I wanted to complete the Learn Smart Freelancing course, which was being delayed by many days. I wanted to just show up there and complete it, what I've started, because I've initially watched the course for 16 minutes, and then I went for my office thing. And when I came from the office, I wanted to just complete this course so that I can move forward. So yes, I that's why I woke up around 4:30. I performed the Asr prayer at 5:30 p.m. and I freshened up and spent some time with the family, especially since my father took a holiday today because of the rainy situations that's happening in Karachi. Uh, Talking about the evening, I prayed the Maghrib prayer, which is one of the fourth prayers of the day. And I also spent a little time engaging in the community, watching all of these new people onboarding and posting their content. There are a lot of people that are actively communicating in this community, which is quite good. I prepared material and set up for my video recording and daily journals. That's what I'm currently doing right now. And if we talk about the overall situation, my today wasn't very productive overall. But since I intentionally slowed down to reset myself for tomorrow, so that makes no reason for like not showing up for today. But I guess let's continue with the same pace tomorrow, and let's focus on creating a perfect tomorrow, so that I can actually achieve what I've started. So talking about the positive of today is I maintained discipline by completing my prayers. It's actually 7:48 p.m. and I'm recording this because I'm going to the office, and when I came back, my energy wouldn't be that high to that I'll record a video journal. So that's why I'm just recording it now. I spent quality time with my family. I showed consistency by just keeping up my daily journals. That's just pretty basic. And I prepared video content for my daily journal. And there are a lot of things that need to be improvement. But some of the key highlights are the sleep schedule needs some work. I do want to sleep at 7 a.m. So that I can easily woke up at 3 p.m. That would be an 8-hour sleep, which is usually required for a body to function properly. It's also a myth, but I do believe like I'm more fresh when I took like 7 hours sleep span or 8 hours of a sleep span instead of just 6 or 6.5. My productivity was low today. I need sharper focus for tomorrow. So that's why today would be come as a reset day. I haven't progressed at all, but I just recorded this video journal. That's just my progress, which is not good. Okay, so I do regret for not making the most of today, but we'll use it as a reset. So the key lesson from today I'll get is not every day will be highly productive when I'm on this challenge. What matters is staying consistent, reflecting honesty, and I make sure the next day is stronger. As long as I'm showing up, that means I'm moving one step ahead of my journey. And if even if it's a brick or even if it's just a step towards my journey, I'm going to take it. And that's what my motivation is to create this video journal, and my motivation for just showing up. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video journal. If you find any issue or any recording problems, I would love to address those, and I would love to improve myself for the next video. So see you guys there. Thank you so much.